Peruvian cuisine, ceviche, seafood with lemon sauce, lomo saltado, fried meat, papas a la huancaína, potatoes with cream sauce. Pollo a la brasa, grilled chicken. Peruvian cuisine is known for its unique and flavorful dishes that blend indigenous ingredients and techniques with European and Asian influences. Here are 4 dishes that represent some of the best of Peruvian cuisine. Ceviche. Ceviche is a popular dish in Peru that consists of raw fish marinated in lime juice and spices. The acidic marinade cooks the fish, giving it a tender and flavorful taste. Ceviche is typically served with sweet potato, corn, and a side of spicy salsa. Peruvian ceviche is often made with sea bass, but can also be made with other types of fish, octopus, or shrimp. Lomo saltado. Lomo saltado is a stir-fry dish that combines marinated strips of beef with onions, tomatoes, and French fries. The dish is flavored with soy sauce, vinegar, and spices, and is often served with rice. It is a fusion dish that incorporates Chinese stir-fry techniques with Peruvian ingredients, and is popular in many Peruvian restaurants. Papas a la huancaína. Papas a la huancaína is a dish made from boiled potatoes that are sliced and served with a creamy and spicy sauce made from queso fresco, milk, ají amarillo peppers, and crackers. The dish is often served as an appetizer or side dish, and is a popular comfort food in Peru. Pollo a la brasa. Pollo a la brasa is a traditional Peruvian dish of roasted chicken that is marinated in a blend of spices and herbs, including cumin, garlic, and paprika. The chicken is often served with a side of French fries and a spicy salsa. Pollo a la brasa is a beloved dish in Peru and is often served at family gatherings and celebrations. These 4 dishes are just a small sample of the diverse and delicious cuisine that Peru has to offer. From seafood to meat to potatoes, there is something for everyone in Peruvian cuisine. Whether you're trying these dishes in a restaurant or at home, you're sure to be impressed by the bold and unique flavors of Peruvian food. Certainly, here are some additional dishes that are popular in Peruvian cuisine. Anticuchos. Anticuchos are skewered and grilled beef hearts that are marinated in vinegar, garlic, and spices. They are a popular street food in Peru and are often served with a side of potatoes or corn. Ají de gallina. Ají de gallina is a creamy and spicy chicken dish that is made with ají amarillo peppers, bread, milk, and cheese. The chicken is shredded and served with a sauce made from the peppers, bread, and cheese. It is often served with rice and boiled potatoes. Rocoto relleno. Rocoto relleno is a stuffed pepper dish made with rocoto peppers, which are similar to bell peppers but spicier. The peppers are stuffed with a mixture of ground beef, onions, raisins, and olives, and are topped with cheese. The dish is often served with a side of potatoes. Causa rellena. Causa rellena is a dish made from mashed potatoes that are seasoned with lime juice and ají amarillo peppers, and then filled with a variety of ingredients such as chicken, tuna, or vegetables. The dish is often served cold as an appetizer or light meal. Tamales.